Hi everyone, I am Euclides Coimbra. Welcome to this webinar. I'm going to talk about lean transformation in the supply chain and the 7 key capabilities of supply chain lean transformation. We will talk about end-to-end improvement, demand-driven supply chain, agile and lean efficient supply chain. My focus will be on a new paradigm for achieving breakthrough results and competitive advantage in customer service and profitability. Our contexts for this webinar are here. First, we will talk about why we need end-to-end demand-driven, agile and lean supply chains. Then we go to the first key capability, the capability of strategically end-to-end map the supply chain. The second one is the implementation of a pool planning system all across the supply chain. The third one is the creation or creating material and information flow. The fourth capability is the increase in resource efficiency. The fifth one will be the reinforcement of a Kaizen culture. And the sixth, the managing the change, instability and risk that currently are present in the supply chains. And the last one, the piloting, how to do pilots, assessments, benchmark and scale implementation. So we will go deeper in these 7 key capabilities in this webinar. So as an introduction, why do we need to touch, to improve, to change the supply chain nowadays? Supply chains are key to supply the products worldwide in this global world. So it's very important to be aware of the problems, the opportunities and the new paradigms that can be applied in the supply chain to make it faster and more effective and more profitable also. So I will talk a little bit about how to set the supply chain targets to improve, what are the targets to improve, understanding the lean design principles that I already talked about, end-to-end demand-driven, pool, flow efficiency, resource efficiency, and the benchmark case. So why we need it? The main reason is customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is the main source of innovation and competitiveness nowadays. And we really need to improve customer experience and satisfaction. And these are the drivers to a better organization. So delivering exactly what the customer wants, where it's wanted, when it's wanted, and much faster than competition. So organizations must be ready to respond and quickly adapt, agile, increasing customer expectation in rapidly changing markets with a big volatility of demand. Agility and flexibility are therefore critical to thrive and provide the best customer experience. We need to make the supply chain more customer-focused, agile and waste-free, and faster to anticipate and recover from disruption and instability. I don't have to tell you about the disruption and instability episodes of today's supply chains because of COVID, because of all the crises, because of the war, everything. So we really need more responsive supply chains. And also because the customer needs are changing with the new technologies and new ways of buying and new ways of doing marketing. So the targets for a lean supply chain are here in this order. First, improve on-time delivery and OTIF. So really deliver according to the promise you are making to the customer. And so OTD and OTIF is the #1 target to improve, and this will give us increased sales. The second target to improve are delivery times, shorten the delivery times. So we can do this if we have flow efficiency in the supply chain. We will check that later. And the third most important target is radical inventory reduction. So with inventory reduction and the work in process reduction, we will have bigger free cash flow. And then in the fourth target to improve is cost to serve. All the costs of the supply chain, sometimes known as cost to serve, or the value of production, And this will come from resource efficiency. So why? There are many reasons here. I name some of the reasons: the complexity, the uncertainty, the needs of the loss of sales and customers, and we need to improve on that. The delivery times. If you have half the delivery time of your competitor, I'm sure a customer will be delighted and will buy from you. And the responsiveness, to be more responsive with new products, with innovation, to put it time to market, to put it quickly and faster in the market. And of course, if you are very slow, you may have stock degradation in certain types of products. We want also to reduce the capital employed blocked by stock value, high storage cost, extra labor costs by operating warehouse facilities or extremely huge amounts of stock, and the cost of the supply chain, because many times we are wasting capacity and we need capacity in key machines, high labor costs, long changeover times. So how we do it? With the key capabilities, the 7 key capabilities. As a summary of the capabilities, the capability to make an end-to-end value stream analysis. This will provide the improvement plan. The S&OE with actual customer demand provides customer satisfaction. S&OE, sales and operations execution. So using actual customer demand and not using forecasts. Short, consistent flow lead times provide the growth. Flow efficiency provides high inventory turnover and less working capital. And then resource efficiency will provide high profitability. So we will give additional reading material, and we have 2 books that can be a very good resource to understand all this, to learn, design and implement a total flow management breakthrough. The books are Kaizen in Logistics, written by myself, and the other one is Strategic Kaizen in Operations, using flow, synchronization and leveling, written by Masaki Mai.